In a shocking revelation that adds a new dimension to the Delhi Red Fort blast investigation, forensic experts have confirmed the identity of the person behind the deadly explosion. Well, the man driving the explosive-laden Hyundai i20 that went off near Red Fort metro station on November 10, killing 12 people, has been identified as Dr. Umar Nabi, a Pulwama-based doctor. Police sources revealed that the breakthrough came after the DNA analysis confirmed a 100% match between samples from Dr. Umar's mother and human remains, that is, bones and teeth, recovered from the blast site. Moreover, Umar's leg was found stuck to the car's accelerator, which further helped the forensic department. Investigators concluded that Dr. Umar was alone in the vehicle at the time of the explosion. The powerful blast near Subhash Marg, close to the Red Fort, is now officially being treated as a terrorist act. In response to the growing terror link, the National Investigation Agency has formed a dedicated and comprehensive probe team under senior officials to investigate the case. So what has the probe revealed so far? Early findings suggest that the Red Fort blast is connected to an extremist module busted earlier in Faridabad, linked to Jaish-e-Mohammed and individuals associated with Al-Falah University in Haryana. Investigators suspect that the group had planned to target the Red Fort on Republic Day as part of a larger conspiracy. Dr. Umar and Dr. Muzammil and another suspect arrested from Faridabad had travelled to Turkey, where their handlers are believed to be based. Further, officials believe that the suspects aim to execute an attack similar in scale and symbolism to the 2008 Mumbai terror attacks, that is 26/11 attacks. Now, with the NIA leading the investigation, authorities are focusing on unearthing the full network behind the blast, including financiers, recruiters, and handlers abroad. What are your thoughts? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.